Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the spy gear superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about our Zetta cameras. Now we sell 4 different models of the Zettas. This video is designed to quickly summarize how they are unique from one another and to help you guys pick which Zetta camera would best suit your needs. Now keep in mind that each one of these products has an entire video dedicated on their own, including a quality demonstration. Now, before we get to what makes them different, let me first tell you what they have in common. Now, they're all cameras that record both video and audio. They are all time and date stamped. They all record to SD cards, and they are all battery operated as well. Although their battery lives differ from model to model, they also can all be plugged in to the wall for constant power. Now to talk about their differences, this one here, this is the smallest of our Zettas, which is why we appropriately called it the micro Zetta. It has a pinhole style lens, which limits its field of view to about 62 degrees. The benefit there is that it's easier to hide since the lens is so small. The battery life is 8 hours on this model. The video record resolution is 640 by 480, which is the lowest out of all the Zettas that we offer. The next is our Zetta Swivel. This one isn't much bigger than the micro, and I'll hold them up for you guys so you can kind of see them side by side here, just like that. But they are able to record in a much higher resolution. This one does 1280 x 720, so it's 720p. That's considered high definition. The lens on this Zetta is much larger as you can see here, however it sports a much larger field of view at 160 degrees. A unique thing about this camera is that the whole lens on the top here swivels, so you can get the desired angle. That means that you could set it down like this and have the camera looking straight out. The battery life on this Zetta is 10 hours. Moving on, we have our Zetta IR model. This model has a record resolution of 1280 x 720, which is considered high definition, and it's also the same resolution that the Swivel had. The lens on this Zetta supports 160 degree field of view, so you get that same wide field of view that you got with the Swivel, just in a different body style here. Now, the model doesn't move, the lens here doesn't move, so unlike the Swivel where you're actually able to adjust the lens, this one's static, so you have to set it down like this. Okay, now what makes this different from all the other models is that this one has IR night vision that goes about 8 to 10 feet. This model is also the only one that we have that has an extended battery life. It implements something called PIR motion detection, which actually allows the camera to go to sleep when there is no motion to conserve battery life. This is actually a lot more amazing than it sounds. The continuous battery life of this unit is 12 hours. However, the PIR standby time is 180 days, meaning that if you just set this on a shelf and hit the record button, it can record for 12 hours nonstop. However, if you set it to PIR motion activation, then it's going to sleep and only wake up when there's movement. So during the periods of time when there isn't anything happening, it's virtually not consuming any battery life at all. This makes a Zetta IR model ideal for low traffic areas. Lastly, we have the Wi-Fi Zetta. It features the same 1280 x 720p HD recording and has the same 160 degree field of view as the last 2 models. And it has a similar battery life as well of 8 hours. Now the big deal with this model in specific is that it has remote view capabilities, which means that you can download an application from your smartphone or tablet and actually view the camera live. So now to recap, we've got the small one, the flexible angle one, the extreme battery life model with the night vision, and then the remote view model. Now, just to remind you, like I said, each one of these products has their own videos, so you can actually watch a little bit more in depth about each product and then actually see a quality demonstration to get an idea of what 160 degree field of view means, as well as that record resolution. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the spy gear superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.